Welcome to Tiny Tots with Miss Anam. Early learning skills for curious young minds.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Daud and welcome to our channel Tiny Tots with Miss Anam. Today we are going to make fireworks in a plate. Isn't that fascinating to even imagine? But before that, we are going to do a tiny experiment about how soap works. See, my hands are all dirty, and if I wash it with water, let's see what happens. There is some oil and dirt on my hands. See? Some of the dirt went out, but still there is oil on my hands. Let's try washing with soap. See, they are sparkly clean now. But how did it work?
Okay,
now?
Daud. So when you wash your hands just by water, were your hands all cleaned up?
No.
What happened?
Went and some dirt stick and oil did not go.
Yes, so some of the dirt went away and none of the oil went up from your hands, right?
Right.
So how does a soap work in washing our hands? Just like this Q-tip, there are two parts of the chemicals that are in soap which cleans up everything on our hands or anything on the surface, okay? So one side attracts dirt and the other side attracts fats, and the soap helps it to breaks down the molecules of dirt and fats. And this is how when you pour water on it, it easily gets off from our hands. Or even if you're washing dishes or we are mopping the floor by using some detergents, it helps in the same exact way. Okay? One side attracts dirt, one side attracts fats and breaks down, washes off by water. Okay? Now everything is clear to you now?
Yes.
To all the children watching our video?
Now it's time for the fireworks in a plate.
So we have some paints in this milk, and now we are going to try our experiment. We are going to put some soap on the Q-tip and try doing something really very fascinating. It's going to create fireworks in a plate.
Should I do it?
Yes. Start from the middle. Yay! Did you see what happened?
Let us go back here and
do it on the sides, na? Do it? Yes. Wherever you put this Q-tip with soap, the colors are going to dance around. You can use this strategy for making so much of the fireworks in your plates. I am putting in some more paint here and it's going to get more enjoyable. See?
can you see I made a heart?
Yeah.
Try this experiment at home. This is so fun to do. Wait, look.
Okay, so how is this working? First of all, the surface tension. What is the surface tension? It is the force that a liquid has, and it creates a layer on top of each surface. Like if it's water or if it's milk, it has a surface tension. So when the surface tension is um, disturbed, like if we put something on top of it, it is going to move. The top layer of the liquid is going to move. Okay, so this is the reason of how you can see some insects floating uh, on the water surface, like some mosquitoes or houseflies. They can sit on the surface of water. Okay, and the second reason is, like I told you before, that there is fat in milk, and soap breaks down the molecules of fats, because of which it moves across the surface because of the soap in it. So let's try again and let's play a little more like this. It's going to go there. If I'm going to put here, it's going to move there and here and there and here and there. Isn't that fun, now? You can play it around by this. And thank you for watching our video. I hope you liked our experiment and the concept behind this, and create your own fireworks at home.
Like and subscribe to our channel and for more interesting videos, and please comment. Bye bye everyone. Take care.